Illinois is less than a month into enforcement of its new assault weapons. It is now illegal to sell or powered rifles.
What an idiot!
AR-15 or AK-47. Those are assault weapons. Station WBEZ tells us the vast majority of permit holding.
Thanks for having me. Representative Roman, you were one of 30 or so uncommitted delegates at the DNC, but after weeks of talks with organizers,
Man!
tell me about why you
What? Dude!
I actually was not a delegate. I was there.
What are you doing, man?
I was actually there for a panel with the Arab American Institute.
What is happening in front of us? Just passing. Whoa, whoa, whoa! Jesus Christ!
I need somebody that has a lot of strength and courage and smarts. I want to close up Department of Education.
Also, just a callback to something we flagged on our Love It episode. There literally seem to be calling for the demolition of the United States and global.
The conversation. I don't understand. They're like bullying him for feeling bad for a girl being at her. What? What? More context around this? I don't know, but.
Then up. Yeah, put a camera up
You're wrong. Leave me alone. I'm trying to pick up my lunch. You